Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if your keyboard shortcuts are not working in your Windows machine. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and restart the Windows Explorer. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the Start button and then click on the Task Manager. Once you have the Task Manager, you will have to go to the Details. Under Details, you can go to the Search and type Explorer. Do a right click and then click on Restart. Your taskbar would disappear for a brief period. Wait until it is completely back. Once this is done, you may close this task manager and then try to check if your keyboard shortcuts are working. In case if it works, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step, what you could do is you can check the accessibility settings. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the Start button and then click on Settings. Once you're on these settings, you will have to go to the accessibility, click on it, and then on the right hand side you will have to locate for keyboard. Click on Keyboard. Under Keyboard, you will have to turn off or toggle off sticky keys, filter keys, and toggle keys. Close this window and then check if your keyboard shortcuts are working. In case if it works, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step, what you could do is you can unlock the Windows key. You will have to press Function plus Windows key simultaneously on your keyboard, or you can check your keyboard for a dedicated Win lock or a gaming mode key to enable the Windows key again. You will have to ensure your external keyboard is not toggled to Mac mode instead of Windows mode. Once this is done, you may go ahead and check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step, what you could do is you can update your drivers via Device Manager for your keyboard. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the Start button and then click on the Device Manager. Once you have the Device Manager open, you will have to expand the keyboard. Now here you will have to go ahead and update your keyboard driver for both the options here. In case if you have more than one keyboard, you can do a right click and then click on update driver. Choose the option which says search automatically for the drivers and then click on close. Repeat the same step in case if you have any other standard PS2 keyboard. Search automatically for the drivers and then click on close. Close this window, restart your computer and then check if your issue has been resolved. So all these steps should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.